Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set your Telegram group notifications to a short vibration, so you can stay informed without constant long buzzing in your pocket. If your phone feels like it's vibrating forever every time a group message comes in, this small tweak will make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where all your app preferences are stored. Now, inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you for messages, calls, and group activity. Next, tap on Group Notifications. This is important because we're specifically adjusting how group messages behave, not private chats. Once you're in the group settings, look for More options and tap on it. This will open additional customization settings for your notifications. Now tap on Vibrate. You'll see several options here ranging from default patterns to longer vibration styles. To keep things short and less distracting, select Short. And that's it. From now on, whenever you receive a message in a Telegram group, your phone will use a brief vibration instead of a longer one. It's a simple change, but it can make your notifications feel much less overwhelming throughout the day. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tips like this to make your apps work better for you.